In this video, we'll be talking about the homing procedure within OptimumCNC plasma cutting software. Homing allows the user to essentially zero the machine coordinates for the particular axis by either moving the machine automatically until it reaches the homing sensors, or by manually positioning the system to a particular point and then assigning a zero position to that point. So first, to utilize the homing functionality, you'll need to click on the homing button in the top ribbon, which will bring up this pop-up window. It will contain the automatic procedures for X, Y, and Z homing, as well as the manual procedures for X, Y, and Z. First, let's go over an example of an automatic homing procedure. So here we're going to do something that we recommend the user does every time they power the system back on, as you can see in the video, which is to home the system. First we're going to home the Z axis, and we'll see that the system will be moving in the positive Z direction until it reaches the sensor, after which our machine coordinates will be set to 0, as you can see in the video. Next we're going to home our X axis, so the system will begin moving in the negative X direction until it reaches the X axis sensor, after which it will similarly set the machine coordinate to 0. And last we're going to zero our Y axis, so here the system will move in the negative Y direction, and this also has the added benefit of squaring the gantry if it has been misaligned for any reason. Note that, for instance, if we were to run through this automatic X homing procedure once again, the system needs to always stop and begin moving in the opposite direction once the sensor is reached. So in a situation where the machine continues to move past the sensor, this usually indicates some kind of an issue or a problem with the homing sensor itself, which should be corrected before homing is performed. Next, in addition to the automatic X, Y, and Z homing, we also have the automatic X, Y, Z homing altogether. All this does is essentially runs through the automatic Z, automatic Y, and then automatic X procedures in that order. The manual homing allows the user to move to a particular position. For instance, let's say we move to a particular position along the Y-axis, and once we've moved to our desired position, perhaps this position is close to the edge of the machine, we would like to assign this point to be the 0 for the Y-axis. In that case, we'll simply press the manual Y button. This zeroes the coordinate for the Y-axis, and a similar procedure is available for the manual X and manual Z buttons. Thank you for watching.